Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to insert an audio in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and click on Blank Presentation to create a new presentation. Then select everything and click on Delete. Now, go to Insert and click on it and click on Audio. Here you have two options. You can upload an audio from your computer, or you can record an audio. Let's select the first option, click on it. And here you can select the audio you want to upload and then click on Insert. Here you can play the audio, add a bookmark, trim the audio, choose the fade duration, the fade in and fade out. Here, change the volume. Here, choose when you want the audio to start. Click here if you want to play it across slides or loop until stopped. And here you can click on play in background or no style. The second way is to go to insert again and click on it, then click on audio, and here click on record audio. Now give your audio a name, and here click on this icon to start recording. Here you can see the length of your audio, and click on this icon to stop the recording. And here you can listen to your recording. Then click on OK. And here, click on Format to change the format of your audio, or the icon of your audio, or click on Playback to play the audio and change the other settings. And that's it. Now you know how to insert an audio in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!